How do you get repeat customers? Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram advertising, please give me a like and subscribe. But let's jump into it. How do you get the customers to buy from you again? Well, first of all, if you're running Facebook or Instagram ads or any ads, then don't exclude your previous customers, because previous customers, they are actually the most likely to buy from you again, provided that they had a good experience the first time, of course, or you had a good product. Even if you have a product that people are not likely to buy again, then you should always have something that complements the product that you have, or something else that they could buy. And they may also be leaving positive comments on your ads, and that's going to work as social proof for other people who see your ads. Or they may even refer you to their friends and family if they don't want to buy from you again. So don't exclude them from your ads, because usually your previous customers is a very small percentage compared to the whole entire population that you're advertising to. So it's a very little bit of money that you're actually spending on including them in your campaigns. But you should also, of course, have retargeting campaigns specifically going for your previous customers, because those are the most hot prospects. Those are the ones who know, like, and trust you already and are most likely to buy from you again. Comment below, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and down below we have a free ebook you can go ahead and download called Mastering Social Media Strategies for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. It's completely free. Go ahead and download that, and also please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Also link in the description. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in lead generation for coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs. Go ahead and book a call with me or my team. There's a link in the description. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.